after nearly 35 years at Preferred Insurance Center. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm going to be retiring. It came as much of a surprise to me as it probably is to you. I had no intention of leaving Preferred till I was 70, and it's been a fantastic ride. Preferred's given me more than I could have ever asked for. It's such a place filled with support and love and great memories. But when God gives you another calling, plans change. But before I get on to that next calling, I would want to invite you to an open house that we're having to celebrate what Preferred's done for me for the last 35 years. It's August 29th from 2 to 6 at our office in Coldwater. We'll have refreshments and snacks and all that. We'd love it if you came and shared a story or maybe just a handshake, whatever. But I'd be so honored to see you there. Now, what's up next? Well, God placed a calling on my life that I believe will be the greatest adventure I've ever had and the adventure he will surely call me home from. It's called Christian Teams Excel. And it is about helping individuals, businesses, and churches live with passion and purpose because they are fulfilling the purpose God created them for. We're diving right in. We're with some live events starting September 5th. They will be the first Thursday of every month at the Vineyard at Evergreen Farms, and we're calling them God's Voice in the Vineyard. That's the series name. The very first event is called Countercultural Catholicism, Embracing Our Greatest Opportunity of a Century. And it's about that despite all the controversies and the things and the Catholic Church has had to deal with and the dim view the world has of Catholics and Catholicism, I believe we are standing, if we can just reach out and grasp it, the greatest opportunity to win souls and take back what Satan has stolen that we have ever seen. So there's a link with a lot more details. Come join us. It will be a good time and also, hopefully, a very inspirational event. They are interactive and high energy, if you can believe that. So I'd appreciate it if you came to the open house. Thank you for any support. Share the events and things on social media so people get to know about this new adventure in my life. And remember, life's never going to be a walk in the park. So don't go on a walk. Go on an adventure.